Hey there everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix iOS 17 5G not working issue on iPhone. So guys, if you are facing an issue of 5G not working on your iPhone after updating to the latest version of iOS 17, so guys don't worry. In this video I will tell you how to fix this issue. So guys, unfortunately, currently I didn't have a access of a SIM, but I will give you some steps or tips which you can try to solve the issue. So guys, first of all you have to do is check for 5G coverage. Before troubleshooting, ensure you are in an area with 5G coverage. Check your carrier's coverage map or use a third-party app to verify. After checking for 5G coverage, then move to the next step, that is toggle aeroplane mode on and off. A quick reset of your network's connections can often resolve issues. Go to your control center, open aeroplane mode and turn it on. Wait for 30 seconds, then turn it off back and see if the issue persists or not. If this still doesn't work, then move to the next step. Our next step is to disable low data mode. Low data mode can restrict 5G access to conserve data. So you have to do is simply go to your settings, then go to cellular, and here you will see an option of cellular data options. Simply tap on it and then tap on turn off low data mode. After this, then you have to do is all sorry guys. After this, then you have to do is simply check the your SIM card. A loose or improper seated SIM card can cause connectivity problems. Turn off your iPhone, remove the SIM card, and then reinsert it and power your phone back and see if this works or not. If this still doesn't work, then you have to restart your iPhone. This can clear temporary glitches and refresh system process. You have to open your settings, then scroll down and then tap on General. Again scroll down and then tap on Shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After restarting, then you have to do is reset your network settings. If trying all of these solutions and you're still facing the issue, then it's advisable to do reset all settings on your iPhone. This will reset all settings to their default, potentially resolving conflicts. So you have to simply go to your transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset network settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos and thanks for watching.